Ever wondered what makes the Honor Magic V2 Porches Edition the talk of the town? It's time to unravel the mystery. As we unveil the Honor Magic V2 Porches Edition, its sleek and elegant design instantly catches the eye. Crafted with premium materials and meticulous attention to detail, the device radiates an aura of luxury. What distinguishes the Honor Magic V2 Porches Edition from the crowd? Here's the rundown. A mesmerizing 7.93-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED display makes for vivid colors and buttery smooth scrolling. A secondary 6.43-inch 120Hz LTPO cover display provides easy access to notifications and shortcuts. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC processor powers seamless multitasking and extraordinary performance. When it comes to photography, the device boasts a front-facing 16-megapixel selfie camera and an impressive triple camera system with 50 megapixels, offering exceptional detail and clarity. A robust 5000 mAh battery and 66-watt fast charging ensure the device is always ready to go. But the Honor Magic V2 Porches Edition is more than just its hardware. With a host of additional features and software optimizations, it promises an enhanced user experience. It's where luxury meets technology. From its intuitive user interface to advanced security measures, the Honor Magic V2 Porches Edition leaves no stone unturned to impress. It's a perfect blend of luxury and functionality for tech enthusiasts and fashion-forward individuals alike. Experts and early adopters share their experiences of using the Honor Magic V2 Porches Edition. The first expert shares, the Honor Magic V2 Porches Edition raises the bar in terms of design, performance, and camera capabilities. It's a device that truly stands out. The second expert chimes in, the combination of high refresh rate displays, a powerful processor, and an impressive camera system makes the Honor Magic V2 Porches Edition a top-tier smartphone. It's evident that the Honor Magic V2 Porches Edition is a game-changer in the world of smartphones. With its eye-catching design and cutting-edge features, it embodies the essence of luxury and innovation. That brings us to the end of today's unboxing of the Honor Magic V2 Porches Edition. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest in tech. Until next time, keep exploring the magic of technology.